OpenAI has seen remarkable growth over the past few years, largely due to its cutting-edge AI technologies like GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, and the expanding ecosystem of AI tools. Its latest development, tentatively referred to as GPT-Next, has created a buzz in the AI community, especially with the teaser showcasing even more powerful capabilities. OpenAI's growth trajectory is mainly attributed to the success of GPT models, from GPT-2 to the current GPT-4, which powers advanced AI assistants like ChatGPT. These models have revolutionized how businesses interact with AI, enabling high-level content creation, code generation, and more. For instance, platforms like GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI, assist developers by auto-suggesting code snippets in real time. Similarly, businesses use GPT-4 to generate reports, automate customer service, and enhance productivity. OpenAI's APIs have allowed industries such as finance, education, healthcare, and marketing to integrate AI seamlessly into their workflows. Teaser of GPT-Next. OpenAI has teased GPT-Next, the upcoming version in the GPT series, which promises even greater performance and functionality. Based on early hints, GPT-Next is expected to understand more complex queries, handling multiple layers of context and reasoning to provide more accurate and insightful responses. Enhance multimodal capabilities, moving beyond text to better understand images, videos, and possibly even sound. Faster, more efficient responses. GPT-Next is expected to deliver real-time answers and process large datasets even quicker. Example of GPT-Next in action. Hypothetical scenario: suppose a doctor is using an AI assistant powered by GPT-Next in a medical setting. The doctor can upload a patient's medical history, MRI scans, and lab reports, and GPT-Next could analyze the data holistically. It could recognize subtle patterns in the scan, cross-reference the information with millions of medical records, and suggest a potential diagnosis with recommended treatments. This kind of integration into high-stakes industries like healthcare could revolutionize how professionals interact with information, making AI an indispensable tool in decision-making processes. In essence, OpenAI's rapid growth and exciting developments, particularly around GPT-Next, are setting the stage for more intelligent and integrated AI systems that push the boundaries of what's currently possible in artificial intelligence.